Everyone loves saving on gas. But there's one EV question Americans whisper about. What happens when the battery dies? Is it a financial nightmare? Or just a myth? Let's break it down. The battery is the heart of an electric vehicle. And yes, it's the most expensive part. But before panic sets in, here's the twist. EV batteries are designed to last a long time. Most modern EVs use lithium-ion batteries built to survive thousands of charging cycles. And speaking of long life, let's talk warranties, because this is where the story gets interesting. In the US, federal law requires EV makers to offer at least 8 years or 100,000 miles of battery warranty. Some brands go even further, up to 10 years or 150,000 miles in certain states. So before you imagine a massive bill, remember this. For most owners, battery replacement is covered for nearly a decade. But what happens after that warranty ends? Here's the honest truth. In 2024 to 2025, full EV battery replacement costs typically range from $5,000 to $20,000, depending on the vehicle, battery size, and brand. A small EV battery costs far less than a large SUV or truck battery. But here's the diversion most people miss. Very few owners actually replace the entire battery. More often, only failed modules are replaced, cutting costs dramatically. And that leads us to something even more important. How often do batteries actually fail? Real-world data shows EV battery failure rates are well under 2%. Many EVs on the road today still retain 70 to 80% capacity after 10 years. That means reduced range, but not a dead car. And just when you think replacement is unavoidable, technology steps in. Battery prices have dropped nearly 90% over the last decade, and they're still falling. As more EVs hit the road, refurbished and recycled batteries are becoming cheaper alternatives. So the scary future expense? It's shrinking year by year. The real takeaway. Yes, EV battery replacement can be expensive, but for most Americans, it's unlikely, often covered by warranty, and becoming cheaper over time. So the real question isn't, will I need a new battery? It's, will battery fear stop me from saving thousands on gas and maintenance? Because now, you know the truth.